Guys, today we're going to be making some Philly cheesesteak. The other day I went to the grocery store, saw some of this right in the front, and so decided, got the boys home on Monday, so let's make some Philly cheesesteaks. So the recipe is going to be really simple. We're going to, for the sauce, you're going to need cheese. I've got two different types. I think you could use whatever you want, but I've got medium cheddar and it's kind of spicy Mexican cheese. As far as the dry ingredients, we've got some garlic powder, tablespoon of cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons of butter, salt and pepper, and milk. And then we're also you're gonna want a pepper and an onion to grill up, and we've got some French rolls. All right, let's get started.
Alright, what's up guys? So, the reason that my voice is different from the voice in the intro is both me and my dad are doing this YouTube channel. So my dad did the intro and he's doing most of the cooking, but I'm doing the voiceover. So let's get into it. Alright, so you're going to want to grate your cheese first. Here I'm going to grate my Parmesan and local mix. After that's been grated, you're going to want to throw that into a pan with your tablespoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Crack some pepper in there, pour a good amount of milk, and stir it up.
A few moments later.
Hey yo, Khalid, you made the beat.
Alright, so now you're going to grab your onion, cut it as he's doing in the video. Also, you're going to want to grab your pepper and chop it up as he is doing in the video. See you when that's done.
Hey yo, Khalid, you made the beat.
Now that your onions and peppers have been all chopped up, you're gonna pop a piece of butter onto the pan. Butter the pan up, slide it around, put some olive oil in it, and then pop your veggies in it.
Hey yo, Khalid, you made the beat.
Alright, so you're gonna push your veggies to one side. You're gonna want to throw your meat in right there next to it and wait till it's brown on both sides, and then you'll know it'll be done. See you then.
Hey yo, Khalid, you made the beat.
Alright, now for the final part of the Philly cheesesteaks. You are going to grab your roll, cut it in half, smear a little bit of butter on it, and then you're going to put both pieces face down on a pan and toast them. And when you're done, you're done with the steak. You're just gonna put everything on and enjoy.
Ayo, Kaleem, you made the beat.